Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're looking at something a little strange with Faucetpay. Now I'm not sure if mine is the only account this has happened to, but keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so like I say, this is a little bizarre. I actually went into Faucetpay to make a completely different video for you guys, and then when I entered, this is what I found. You can see here 43 payouts received today. And then if we scroll down, I mean, that is just crazy. And next page, next page, next page, next page, next page. Now you'll see the odd one in here, that is mine, which obviously you guys have seen before. But if we keep going, like in this Solana faucet mining, I have no idea where that's from. Easy Crypto, absolutely no idea. I've never signed up to this program. I've never done a video on this program. Now I did think it might be connected with the Easy Bitcoin site, but I recently went on, well, I actually went on there as soon as I saw this and I thought, is there some kind of connection? And I went on to Easy Bitcoin and the site isn't even there anymore. So it's not from there. And there's just like these Solana faucet mining. I've got referrals from referral payments. Now, obviously, I think we've seen this. I think my man Zek Maru pointed this out in Discord. And I think I did mention it in another video. I do believe it is a scam. But the weird thing is that I've just got, I mean, normally, I think in the past, like we've seen like one payment from Easy Crypto or one payment from Solana mining. I think it was actually Solana mining, and it's for like a dead small amount. But it's like one, which fair enough, you kind of think, well, I don't know, I'll go and check that out. But when you've got this amount, I mean, we're still going through the pages, and we just keep going. But what's weird, it says 43 payments today. But as we go through, all these payments are actually showing different dates. Like, I mean, they're showing 9th of... But yet, when we looked at my account the other day, when I did... What was it? We were looking at the payment proof for mining blocks. These payments were not in there. So they've all been dropped in today. But they've all been dropped in with different dates. And it is absolutely bizarre. And I'm still going. Look, 8th of October now. We started on the 14th. Here. Right. So this is the mining blocks payment proof I showed you in the video not so long back. And we had to come all the way to this page before we see my last lot of payments, or without any Easy Crypto payments in there. And if we go into Google, this is the other weird thing. If we go into Google, put in Easy Crypto. Now there's two. This is this is just some sort of program. I don't know what that is, but oh, it's a marketing. So that's like a trading program. So that's nothing to do with it. Right. And then this would be it. Easy Crypto. But it says select a region. So you've got Australia, Brazil, New Zealand, and South Africa. So it's not even available in the UK. So, and like I say, I've never signed up for it. I've never done a video on it. So I have absolutely no idea where all these payments have come from. But because of the way crypto works, the way the blockchains work, that's my coins. They are all my coins. And so if you happen to find all of this in your accounts as well, don't click on, don't go and click on them, or, like, go to the websites, or if they anything like that. Just, but at the end of the day, that's a whole lot of free crypto that we've just got for doing absolutely nothing. I know, like I say, I know my man Zek on Discord, and I believe someone else on Discord received the Solana mining payments way back. So they might well have received all these easy crypto payments as well. But like I say, I have absolutely no idea where these have come from. But like I say, because at the end of the day, if you're sent crypto and it lands in your wallet, then it's yours. That's it. That is how the blockchains work. They have confirmations to show that these are all legitimate deposits, and therefore there's no comeback. There's no comeback to me on this or anything like that. But it's just absolutely bizarre that they have turned up in the wallet. It's just absolutely bizarre. But yeah, so I just wanted to bring that to you guys as a bit of a quick thing. So go and check your accounts. You might have just had a load of deposits put into your Faucetpay account without your knowledge or even being signed up to a program. And if you have, happy days, what a bonus. And if you haven't, well, maybe you'll get them in the future. So anyway, I'm gonna leave that there. I hope you found that helpful, useful, fun, and interesting. If you can smash that like button, please. It really, really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.